Will Bishop here at Custom Crafted Concepts. So we're not on the range today, but we're in the shop. So let me explain a few things. On top of ordering and manufacturing firearms, we laser engrave. So you can laser engrave business cards, you can laser engrave bottle openers, leather patches, slate coasters. But when I'm on the range and I'm asked, hey, you got a business card? No. The best advertisement? Put your QR code on your machine gun. So here at Custom Crafted Concepts, we can laser engrave and we can personalize your firearm to meet your needs. So I'm going to show you the process in the next few clips of the video of how we put our QR code on our machine gun